Hey everybody, a quick message before the weekend starts about what's coming in the days and weeks ahead. Just received this and am just now able to share it. We know that distance learning excuse me, will continue the week of October 12th. We start next week with periods, even day periods 2, 4, 6, 8. But then resuming October 19th, we'll have a full day, a full schedule, full 44-minute classes starting at 8:50, ending at 3:35. So that's a bit of a change. And who will be coming to those fuller days? In our new hybrid schedule, we're doing an every other day rotation, as we talked about with the red and yellow groups. We'll do a day rotations with Group 1 and Group 2 during that first week. And then the Wednesday of the first week will actually be a non-face-to-face student contact day. But kids in the morning could contact their teacher if needed during office hours. And then later in the morning, teachers can schedule time for interventions with kids. So that is that first week of October 19th. The week of October 26th, you'll see that there is, we start with 2 B days in a row, and then 2 A days, and then again we end that week with office hours, teacher intervention time. Just a little bit more to flesh out what's happening with our faculty schedules. Again, in the morning, 8 to 9 a.m., office hours, kids can reach out to us. 9 to noon, we reach out to kids. We're doing interventions. We're maybe even scheduling them. Let's take kids who are behind, don't have their work in, let's schedule them. Kids who are failing or not proficient, let's prioritize them and invite them to Zooms. Lunch scheduled in there, and then teacher planning all afternoon on that first Wednesday. Very similar that next week of school. Same program on that Friday, same program during the week with the B days for the groups, the A days for the groups. And you can see, as we discussed briefly at one of our recent faculty meetings, PLCs will be after school on Wednesday. Understand, course-like and PLCs can have teacher planning time during that 12:30 to 3:30 on Fridays also. I hope this answers some questions. I'm sure it's going to raise some questions also. If it does, don't hesitate to reach out. But until we do visit again, please start and enjoy your weekends. Thanks, everybody.